All right. So today we're at Brumley Nature Preserve. One of the lovely things about coming to Brumley is that no matter which way you start out going in, you start out going downhill. Oh, just me.
Snake on the trail.
Snake? Oh. Thank you. Apparently we get some wildlife excitement today. There's a snake out here. Will we see the creature? Man, wow. All right. That is indeed a snake. That is a big old snake. That is a good snake. Well, hello, buddy. I'm just gonna walk right by you, way over here on your right. Yeah, you're right. Look at you. Yeah, he's the same length as my bike. Wow. What a beautiful boy or girl. All right, back at it. And I took some of the speed out of my ingress, but definitely worth it for the nature. Here in North Carolina, we have some venomous serpents, but that was not one of them. Matter of fact, that snake will eat the others. There's a big old black snake on the trail. All right. Now we can finally let it go a little bit, put the spurs to it. Hop between these trees. Woo! Get a little loose on the back end there.